Unlock your potential with expert-led courses tailored just for you at London School of Planning and Management. Our courses are meticulously designed to meet the diverse needs and interests of learners like you, seeking to advance their careers and expand their knowledge. Led by industry experts, our courses provide invaluable insights and practical skills that you can apply immediately in your career. Whether you're interested in business, finance, marketing, or any other field, we have the expertise to help you succeed. Join us and take the next step towards your goals with LSPM's expert-led courses. Choose excellence. Choose LSPM. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.